Do you want to know how to make this responsive website? Look, when the screen is big, the website is also big. But when the screen is smaller, the size of the website also gets smaller. How to make a responsive website? I'm Josh, and now I'm gonna show you how to make responsive website. So, what is a responsive website? A responsive website is a website that can adjust and automatically resize, hide, shrink, or enlarge a website and make it look good on all devices. This is the responsive website because when I set the screen smaller, the website adjusts itself. And this is not the responsive website because when I set the screen smaller, the website is, it's kind of broken. The tags go outside and everything is broken. The image gets smaller, everything gets smaller and broken. Everything is broken. But when I set the screen bigger, set the screen big again, the website back to normal, back to the normal size. Everything is good, but when the screen is smaller, everything is broken. That's not a responsive website, and this is the responsive website. This website can adjust itself to the screen size, so it will be good look on all devices. This is how to make a responsive website. The first step is download Bootstrap. I installed the Bootstrap source code and then I connect it to my source code. This is the Bootstrap for CSS and this is the Bootstrap for JavaScript. You must put them in the same folder with your source code. This is the Bootstrap and this is my source code. You must put it in the same folder. So that's the first step. Connect the Bootstrap source code to your source code. So what is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is a tool to help you build a responsive website. It's powerful, extensible, and feature-packed front-end toolkit. If you don't know the Bootstrap code, you can go to the Bootstrap website and search everything you want here. For example, I want to know how to make border. And the website will show you about how to make border by using Bootstrap. Just type border like this. And what about colors? How to make colors in Bootstrap? Primary is blue, secondary is gray, success is green, danger is red, warning is yellow. A lot of colors. Let's practice. The first step I made the top bar. This is the top bar in big screen and this is the top bar in small screen size. Look to the source code. The first step I made a container, the container and then a row and then a column. The container is 100% width. The width is 100% if the screen is large. In Bootstrap, we use numbers to describe how long is the width. 12 is 100% of width. 12 is for 100% and 4 is for 1/3. You can use your logic to make the width in Bootstrap. I use 12 to make it full size, to make it 100% width. And how to make 3 columns in one row. the first step is make a row, and then in this row you can make three columns with different sizes, whatever you like. I made three columns. The first one is 4, the second is 4, and the third is 3. If you're confused about Bootstrap, you can go to the website and look for this menu on the left. This menu is on the left. You can look everything like components, forms. In components, we can look for accordion, buttons, and everything. Let's go back to the website. I made this website. This is the website, and this is the real Levi's website. I can't make it same because this website always updating by itself. Maybe every 3 days or 1 week, this website always updating itself, like updating the products and then the discount and everything. So I'm so sorry, I can't make it as same as possible. I can't. Let's continue. When the screen is large, there is no any circles over here, and when the screen is small, there are 4 circles. Why? Because I used display large none. When the screen is large, the display is none. And then I made 4 columns with small screen size. SM is small, and 3 is the size of column. So I made four columns, and the size is 3 to make it fit in a column, in a row, to make it fit 4 columns in the same line. So 3 times 4 is 12. 12 is the full size. When the screen is large, the images is in horizontal position, but when the screen is small, the images will be in vertical position. How to make it? The first step is make the container, and this is margin Y. Margin Y is for margin for vertical position, both bottom and the top, and MX is for horizontal margin, both left and right. After make the container, I made the row and the column, and I made 2 columns here. The first column is for the left side, and the second column is for the right side. The column size is 6, and the second one, the second column is also 6, and the row has gap 4. The gap is 4. Gap size is 4. 6 plus 6 equals to 12. So 12 is the width 100% in Bootstrap. To make this part, I used carousel. Carousel is for scrollable image. Okay, that's all for the landing page, and we continue to the product description. This page is the product description. There are the images of the product, the front side, the back side, and this is the price, this is the product's name, and also the review. This is the product description, and we can add this product to the shopping bag or cart. This is the review, and this is the review from customer. How to make this page? I created the new HTML file and linked it to the first one, to the first HTML file. How to link it? How to connect it? I connected the first HTML file and the second HTML file by using Ahref. By using A. And this is the second file. So when I click this part, I will go to the new page. I created these 4 images so I can scroll it when the screen is small. I set the display for large screen is none. So these 4 images will not be appeared in large screen size. Let's go to the another part. For this part, you may also like part. I just copy paste copy paste from the first page. This is the review. The review part. Review. Where is that? It's too long. Yeah, this is the review. How to make this bar. You know, these 5 bars. How to make it? Just using Bootstrap. Rating bar. Yeah, this rating bar. And rating bar field is for this bar. This bar is filled. And these 4 bars is empty. Rating bar is for make this bar. Let's go to another part. Rating. I just put 5 stars. And the color is dark. Dark means black. What about this? What's this? It's star. They are stars. So I made Starbucks, and this is for the star. When I delete this, the star will disappear. This code is for the star. And Starbucks, look to the CSS part. Starbucks. Where are you, Starbucks? Yeah, there you are. This is the Starbucks. And this is for accordion. For the select option, when I click this part, it will shows rating. It will shows like drop down menu, but I have to click it first. It's accordion. Yeah, that's all. That's all I want to describe about this page. Let's go to the third part, the last part. The third part is cart or shopping bag part. Some people call it shopping bag and some people call it cart. It's still the same thing. In a cart or shopping bag, there are 2 columns in a row. The first column is for the image and the product's name, and the second column is for summary. The first column is 8 for the width, for large screen, and the second column is 4 for width. The width is for large screen. When the screen is small, it like this. It's not really a lot of code. It's not really a lot of code in the third page. Yeah. That's all I want to explain about. So in this assignment, I made three pages. The first one is landing page. The second is product description, and the third is cart or shopping bag. In a shopping bag, yeah, just a short page. So the code is also short. Oh, the last one. Before I go, I want to show you this. I forgot to explain this. This is the menu, but I I made it only appear in small size, in small screen size. When the screen is big, it will not be appeared. When I click this button, it will be appeared. Just like the cart part. When I click this bag button, it will be appeared shopping bag. How to make it? To make this part, this shopping bag part, when I click this icon and it will appear this, I made it by using OffCanvas. OffCanvas is a sidebar component that can be toggled via JavaScript to appear from the left, right, bottom edge of the viewport. So I put an A in cart icon, in shopping bag icon, so that I can click this icon because of A. In A, I put database toggle of canvas, and the database target, the target is cart canvas. Which one is cart canvas? Let's scroll down. Far away. It's so far. Where's that? Yeah, this is cart canvas. This div is cart canvas. This ID is connecting this part to the shopping bag icon. And OffCanvas is a bootstrap feature. So it helps us when we click this button, it will be appeared this field, and so does this button. When I click this button, it will be appeared this menu. Alright, that's all from me. Thanks for watching. But before I go, I want to say sorry for my bad presentation. I think this explanation, this presentation is kind of hard to understand because my bad English and my bad explanation skill. I'm so sorry. I will improve myself in the next video. That's all. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.